Alright guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, Bitcoin as well as many other cryptocurrencies have been absolutely skyrocketing recently, and if you've been getting into the crypto market, then you definitely require a cryptocurrency hardware wallet in order to safely store your cryptocurrencies. Without one, you put yourself at risk of getting your crypto stolen. A very widely recommended wallet is the Trezor Safe 3, which is exactly what we will be unboxing and setting up today. So stay tuned for that, and as always, if you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video.
Hey guys, so this is a Trezor hardware wallet to store cryptocurrency. We have been storing our Bitcoin and Ethereum into Samsung blockchain wallet that comes with the Samsung phone, but I don't feel it very safe to store it in a Samsung proprietary wallet. So I bought this off Amazon. This is a factory shrinked, and it says if there is any tampering with the seal, it should be returned. It should not be used, because then there's possibility someone tampered and put a bug in it. So this is unopened and sealed. Don't see any tampering. Came from Amazon. So we'll open it. So we will just open it and set it up and transfer our cryptocurrencies coins into this wallet. So still it was factory shrinked, and then this is the seal. So it says if you suspect the package has been opened by someone else, keep the box as it is and contact the Trezor support. So this should not be opened. So let's open it. I don't think this was opened by anyone. Yeah, both sides is glued and sealed. Have cut it, and let's see what inside the box. So a Trezor sticker, several stickers, and then this is the wallet and a connection cable. This is old school micro USB, not USB-C, so that's not a good thing. So there is two buttons and user instruction, and then recovery phrase, so you can write all your recovery phrase and keep it in a safe place. So to set up, it needs 24 recovery phrase that you need to keep in a safe place, because in case you lose this and you buy another one, you need these recovery phrases to restore. At this moment, no power. Probably it has to be connected to the computer. So we have to go to trezor.io in this website, and then download the app. Once it is downloaded, you can install it. Now it asks for connecting it to the computer. We'll just plug it in to the computer port. It says Trezor detected. Set up Trezor. So it says it will take about 20 minutes to set up. So installing the firmware. So now you have to, firmware is installed. Now press continue. Create a new wallet or recover one. So since this is the first time you are doing, we'll create a wallet. If we lose this Trezor wallet, hardware wallet, for some reason, then we can buy a new one and recover our cryptocurrency into the new wallet. So we'll create a new wallet. So it shows on the screen. Now wallet is successfully created in the computer screen. So click and continue backup. So it says confirm on Trezor. So it will give you 24 passwords like this. You have to write down all these passwords, because after writing down each password you press next. So with these passwords you can recover your cryptocurrency into a new wallet. So never disclose it to anyone and lose it, then you lose your cryptocurrency, because without this no one will be able to restore your wallet. So we'll now pause this and set up all these passwords. So we wrote down all the 24 passwords, and two times after doing one cycle it confirms with another cycle, and then when you press finish it comes down to this screen, my Trezor. So now in the computer screen it says wallet backup complete. So now continue to pin. So we'll set up a pin. So again we have to confirm on Trezor. So here is the screen where we have to confirm. Press confirm and then use a pin. So you get this screen and you can actually enter a pin. So once you set up your pin, it will come up to this screen and it will show like this. So you just hit continue. Activate coins. So these are the options. We just have Bitcoins and Ethereum. So these settings can be changed anytime. At this moment, we don't have the other coins, just like Bitcoins and Ethereum. So we'll go with that. It says setup complete, and then so it just you can pick a identifying icon. So it comes to the dashboard, shows zero balance. Now we can receive fund from our Samsung wallet to this. So just hit the receive button and click on the show full address. So it will show the receiving address where Bitcoin can be transferred.
Alright guys, so that was how to set up the Trezor Safe 3. If you guys have any more questions, make sure to ask in the comments down below. And if you like this video, make sure to check out this other video where we install a Eufy Security See Everything Smart Lock in our home. As always, leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.